welcome to my channel. My name is Darnell, and today I'm going to paint on this 12-inch round from Paramount. I love these canvases. I get these from Jerry's Artorama. So I have it on my turntable, and I'm going to put a black base down and do a puddle pour again with the interference paints, but today I'm going to use similar colors. I've got some lavender from Deco Art and some lavender from Amsterdam. So I want to see how the pearl paints work with the interference paints as far as different colors. And I know that the Amsterdam red is kind of a pink. And then I also have the magenta from Deco Art, which is a bright pink. So yeah, I'll do the puddle pours and then run my marble through it and then watch the colors change. So get my black base down and we'll get started. Alright, so find a place that don't have paint. I'll set these down. I got Deco Art Violet, and this is Golden's Gold. I have Amsterdam Pearl Violet, and then I've got Deco Art Magenta, and Amsterdam Pearl Red, and then this is the white. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Start off with a Deco Art Violet. This is my favorite. Here is the Deco Art Magenta. Okay, next we're going to do a little gold. So let's see, we'll do one here. Amsterdam Pearl Red, and this is kind of like a pink, maybe even a coral compared to the other colors. Then we have Amsterdam's Pearl Violet. Let's go ahead and do one right here. Okay, and then lastly is the pearl white. Now, what I want to do with this one, I think I would like to maybe drop that down in the center of some of these, so maybe I can get an extra shade of that color incorporated when the marble runs through. So let's do right over here. Now, since it's not going over the black, I don't know if that will do anything. We'll find out. Okay, I'm anxious to see how that works out. Okay, here comes my favorite part. right, time to spin. Getting close. All right, that is it. Yep, that's all I'm going to spin it. I love it. I can't wait to see this when it's dry. Okay, so let me get my other camera out and we'll take you down for a close-up. Colors are starting to materialize.
Okay, so here it is dry. I think it came out amazing. I love purple, so this is one of my favorites. I'm gonna go through some of these colors. This here is the Deco Art Violet, and yes, that one was my favorite. And then this one here is the Deco Art Magenta, and then here is the Amsterdam Pearl Red. And see how it kind of looks coral? And then Amsterdam Pearl Violet is right here. I really like that color. I'm thinking about doing a painting with just the lavender from Deco Art and the Amsterdam Pearl Violet together. I think those two colors look great. And then here is where I added the white on top of the purple. It was just one drop, and then ran that marble through it. And see how it lightened it up? I think that looks amazing. I wish I'd have done more of those. That sounds like a future painting to me. I think it came out amazing. Thanks for joining.